Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to conduct an experiment, which is actually an activity, potassium permanganate solution. What we have to do here is we have to make solutions of potassium permanganate. Okay, the formula of potassium permanganate is KMnO4. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to measure 100 ml of water in a beaker. Okay, this beaker consists of only water. But what we have to do in next step is we have to calibrate the amount of potassium permanganate. Actually, the potassium permanganate solution is dark in color, which is dark in color. Okay, it has very much density. It means the density of potassium permanganate solution is very high. As you can see that this salt is potassium permanganate, and this potassium permanganate, if we will take a few amount of potassium permanganate like this, it is negligible amount. When we will add this amount of potassium permanganate solution to a solution of 100 ml water, okay, like this is 100 ml of water, what will happen? Here we can see that this potassium permanganate solution will eventually colorize the solution of water. Now we will dissolve the solution completely until or unless the whole potassium permanganate solution will not be dissolved. Okay. Now after dissolving this solution, what we have to do? We have to take only 10 ml of this potassium permanganate solution. 10 ml of potassium permanganate solution we will measure by the measuring cylinder. This is known as measuring cylinder, which is calibrated at 10 ml. Okay. This 10 ml of potassium permanganate solution we will measure, and we will add this 10 ml of potassium permanganate solution to an empty beaker. Okay. What we have done here, we have used 5 types of beakers in which we will add consistently 10 ml of potassium permanganate solution from the preceding one. Okay. So we have measured 10 ml of potassium permanganate solution from the original solution of 100 ml of water. Now what we will do? We will add 90 ml of water to this solution. Okay. For 90 ml, it is 80 ml, and this mark is known as 90 ml. This beaker is of 100 ml. Okay. It has capacity of measuring 100 ml of water or any solution. Now what we will measure? We will measure 90 ml of water, and this amount of water we will add to this solution. And as you can see that 100 ml of solution, perfect solution has been made here. But this solution is made by adding 10 ml of this solution of potassium permanganate and adding 90 ml of water in it. Now in next step, what we have to do is we have to measure 10 ml of potassium permanganate solution from this solution, which we have prepared first earlier. Okay. Now what we will do? We will measure 10 ml of this solution. And now by adding this 10 ml of solution to new beaker, we will add how much amount of water in this beaker? 90 ml. This is 90 ml of water, and we will add to this solution. As you can see that the color of the solution, it starts decolorizing. Means this is dark in color and this is somewhat light in color. As the preceding solution has been made, now what we will do? We will measure 10 ml of this solution now. What amount? 10 ml. Now we will add 10 ml of this solution to the new solution, and by adding how much amount of water in it? 90 ml of water. Okay. Of water we will add here. You can see it clearly that the solution is being decolorized. Okay. As the intensity of the color, it starts decreasing from here to here. Okay. Now what we will do? We will measure 10 ml of this solution now. 10 ml of this solution. To this solution. And now what will happen? We will add how much amount of water? 90 ml again. Now what we can see here? You you can clearly identify the colors of these solutions. Here, the first one is here you can see that the first ml of water, the first beaker of the water, it consists of a dark color, dark pink and violet color of solution, that is of potassium permanganate solution, in which we have added 100 ml of water and some amount of KMnO4. Now this is very dark in color. Now what we did, we have taken 10 ml of this solution and added to this solution and added the 90 ml extra water in it. Like this we have made these 5 solutions, as you can see, and by this activity we can conclude that the molecules, the particles, the KMnO4 solutions, these consist of particles, and these particles are getting diffused series by series. In first case, we have seen that the particles of the KMnO4 solution, these are very close to each other. That is why they are very dense, they are very tightly packed. It means that the solution is dark in color. Got it now? And if you compare this with the last solution, we can clearly see that the particles are now diffused completely. It means the potassium permanganate solutions and the water, both the particles of these solutions, they have diffused completely in the solution, and we get the solution of a clear water here. Got it now? So all of you cleared about this topic? Thank you.